Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly adjust the size of cells in Microsoft Excel. We all know the classic method. You drag the edge of a row or column to adjust its size, but it's not that effective. So, let's see a better way. First, click on the row number to select the entire row. Then, go to the Home tab and click on Format. To adjust the width, select Column Width, enter the width you want, and click OK. Now, to adjust the height, select the column by clicking on its letter at the top. Go back to Format, then select Row Height. Enter the height you want and click OK. As you can see, the size has been adjusted. But what if you only want to adjust specific cells? Simply select the cells you want to modify, then go to Home Arrow Format and use the same options. The adjustment will be applied to the selected rows or columns. And that's it. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.